random place here. What this is MTA number 217. Yes, 217. They're here. And the Amtrak train, aka the MTA Penn Central Heritage Unit, and the Amtrak train should be coming any moment now. It's actually a minute late. What? Oh yeah, there's also the walkway over the Hudson. An old train trestle, but who cares about that, really? What the other view looks like. Well, this train is like 3 minutes, maybe 4 minutes late. Whoa. Amtrak, what is your schedule? Arriving. It says arriving on the board, but it's not here yet. Where is it? By the way, yay, Chrissy, and the train! The train! Oh my god, it's double-ended. And is that a non-phase 3 Genesis? My god, that's a non-phase 3 Genesis. Oh my god, 714. Why are you vandalized? Who vandalized 714? Genesis, man. 5 Genesis. 5 Genesis. Look at it. Your phase 5. What are you doing? It's kind of cool looking.